what is
Yours and me?
what is this one? Oh, yummy.
I want to try both of them.
Yeah.
All of them?
Yeah, you try this one. How about this one, Kendra? What is that? Oh.
It's the crunchy one.
She will try only, and let's see. Slowly. Oh, what do you think? Wait, just this one. Oh, which one good? Ah, wow. Oh, yung sarap. Ang sarap, parang ang sarap sa loob, oh. Ano yan?
Cinnamon to.
Sarap naman.
Yeah, puro tayo.
Kaya nga, ikaw.
Ay, ano ba? Can I have tissue, please?
Kendra tissue.
This is nice. Bayan.
Show me, show me. Sarap. The place is nice.
Oh, look at me.
Minessas na kita, kuya. Thank you.
Hindi nga masyado matabi.
Okay siya. Meron na siya ano. Ito sa akin. Anong tawag dito? Taro? Taro ito sa kanya. Pag dumaan ako sa iyo i-message kita, i-prepare mo na.
Yung closing time.
2 a.m. Ayun. Anong oras mag-start? 5 to 2 a.m. Ayan. Message kita, pag dumaan ako, daan ko lang dyan. Bigay mo lang sa akin. Slowly ba yan?